All right, gang, in this video, I want to show you how to enter your data for your projects this semester. Each person's going to have the same basic look to their data set, even though obviously the data is going to be different. Some you're going to work with apartments, some homes, some automobiles, but you're all going to have three variables. I'm going to, for the purpose of this example, I'm going to assume I'm working with either the apartments or the homes. And so the variables that I'm going to be working with are the price, the size, and the location. And if you're calling it rent, that's fine, or asking, or whatever, it doesn't matter. You have a price, you have a size, you have a location. If you're working with the automobiles, it'd be price, mileage, model. So that's the only thing that will change. Statistics requires us to, and let me backtrack for a second. I'm assuming two things here. First, I'm assuming you already have your data that you want to enter. You identified the however many automobiles, apartments, homes that you're working with this semester. And you say, okay, now I need to enter it into the software. So I'm assuming you already know which data values you're going to work with. Second thing is I'm going to assume that you've accessed the software, whether that means you loaded it onto your PC and are running it from there, or you've accessed the application gateway and you're working through there to get the statistics software. So when I open up the software, I see the spreadsheet. I can't type anything. I have to tell, or I guess I have to tell statistics what variables to expect. So I'm going to go to data, insert variables. And I'm going to tell it, I'm going to work with price, size, location. Now, statistics is assuming that you're working with numbers. Well, I've told you the locations or the models of vehicle, if you're working with the automobiles, you can enter those as ones, twos, and threes. So we're good here. All I have to do is say, okay, when you're entering numbers in statistics, no dollar signs, no commas. Some of your data will have dollar signs and commas. So just leave that out. So I'm going to say that I'm working with the apartments. Let's say the rent is $1,000 for this first apartment. The size is maybe 600 square feet, and it's in location 1. And you can see how much fun I'm going to have now as I go down and enter all my data. Depending on the semester, I change the number of observations that you're working with. Usually it's around 75. So go ahead and enter all your data, and when you finish, you're going to save it. If you're working in the application gateway, once you save it, don't forget you need to download that to your computer or to a thumb drive or to something that you can have and to hold. Otherwise, the next time you get on the application gateway, it'll be gone. And so that's the easiest way to enter your data. And obviously, I'm not going to go through and show you how to enter the rest of the data. That's the boring part. But that'll do it in 3 minutes or less. Just barely making it. That's how you enter your data in statistics. So long.